Hi friends, Cosser from KM Unlocker. Look, I have a Xiaomi 17 Pro device in my hand. This is a Xiaomi 17 Pro. Look at this device. I'm checking the model for you. See, this is the model, and this device's bootloader is unlocked. Look, I will show you how to easily root this device. Look at the phone's version. Before rooting, you must check your phone's version from here. The MIO version. The iOS version 3.0.3.6.0. Check this version. After seeing that, your job now is to look at the computer screen and see what I am doing with the computer. First, on the computer screen, go to any browser. Look, I have entered this browser here. Look from here. After going to the browser, you must select your phone's model. Look, my phone's model is Xiaomi 17. Type Xiaomi 17 Pro, and in this place, write Mi Firm, Mi Framework, and search for it. After that, look at the link shown here and open the first one. Then this window appears exactly like this on screen. From here, you will download a flash file according to your phone's version. Here's my phone version. I'm downloading the flash file. Tap download and save it from here now. Look, it's downloading. Look at this. And then you will go here and again type SukiSu Ultra. Type SukiSu Ultra. Press enter. Then this window appears. Once shown, enter this. After entering, you will see right here that the release version is 4.1.2. Go there. Find SukiSu Ultra APK. Download it. After I click, the download starts. See it downloading. This file is now downloaded. Watch now. I copied this file, pasted it here. See, here's the file. Now download this ROM completely. I've already downloaded it. So just look here. This is my ROM. Now I'll extract it. I opened it. From here, go in, then locate the file called intboot. Yes, intboot. Right there. CINIT boot folder. I extracted it here. Open this. Then you'll see the file named intboot. I'll copy it from here. Watch now. Copy it from here. Now pasted it here. Look, see. These two files that are here, you will copy them to your phone. Look, I copied it and connected the phone to the computer with a USB cable. Now I'm copying the file here. Look. See, even if you click swipe on the file here. After clicking, see me copy this file here to my phone. See, moving it now. File was set to delete. I deleted it. Then I copied it here. See, copied now. This file. Now the rest of the work is on the phone. Now, look at the phone. Look at the phone. You will go to the file manager here. After going to the file manager, you will go right here. Open browse. Then look down at bottom. This is the APK file. Install it first here. Watch me install it now. After it installs, then go here. This is the file. Click it. After clicking, you'll see not installed here. Below it, tap, click here to install now. Click here. Then click select a file next here. Click, and you will select the file you copied. The INT in the boot file. from here. Look, it's not showing here. Click here again. Go from here to here. Select this file, then patch it. See, I've selected it now. Now I tap next. See, this screen shows your phone's kernel version. I confirm that kernel version right here for sure. See, it's done on the right. This file is saved in File Manager. Check Downloads. Here's the downloaded file for you now. Look here. The downloaded file is saved. Here it is. See, this is the file. Now again, look at the computer screen. And before you look, sorry, focus on the computer screen first, please. Look, the file has been copied here on the computer screen. Open Downloads in this folder. See this file right here. This KSO I made today. And the date is listed. See, this file is created. This one. Okay? Copy it from here to your PC. I just moved it here now. Here it is. Next. After that. Now focus on your phone and put it into fastboot mode, please. See, I am putting my phone into fastboot mode. I pressed here to turn it off and unplug the cable. Hold volume down, connect the USB cable, and then watch the phone enter fastboot mode now. See, I have connected the USB cable. Look at this phone. It now says fastboot mode. The phone has gone into fastboot mode. See, you will go to this browser. See, before going to the browser, you must see a file from the browser here. This file here. Download it and see. Here. Go here now. This is minimal ADB fastboot. I'll show you how to download it on your computer today. You will go to the tool, and after going, you will write here, fastboot. Open this link, and remember it. Use this link. I'll also put it below in the description today. Download it from here. Do it like this. See, I'm downloading it on screen now for you. Download complete. Now install it. Then check please. See, here I have this file. I'm installing it from here, see. After installing, now you will open it from here. See, this is it. I opened it from here. Type it here and search. It appears. Open and check whether your device is in fastboot mode. I clicked on fastboot devices, see. The device is already in fastboot mode, see. Now, I'm checking if the bootloader on my phone is unlocked. The bootloader on your phone must be unlocked, see. Get far. See, my bootloader is unlocked. Now, you will go here and type. See, this file was already copied here. Go here and type fastboot flash initboot. Then paste. And this file that is here, you will drag it and paste it here. After pasting, now press enter on your computer. Files saved inside there after it's written. Now you will type fastboot reboot here. After typing, press the enter button on your computer's keyboard. Press. The phone reboots. Watch. Now it powers up. See, it's on. I unplugged the cable from here. See, the phone has turned on. See, it's on now. I'll open SukiSu Ultra. Phone working means it's rooted. See, I am checking and showing you. I have downloaded the root checker app from the Play Store. Look at this app. See, I'm downloading it. After the app is downloaded, first you will grant the permission from here. See, from here. In SuperUser, I granted this app permission here. For any app, enable SuperUser access from here too. I gave it permission here, and after that, I clicked on root checker, agree, done. I tapped root checker. It says, congrats, device is rooted. This way, you can easily root any Xiaomi, Redmi, or Poco phone. Thank you, viewers.